I feel blessed as His grace rolled down upon me, undeserved. For God's been good in my life. I feel blessed beyond my wildest dreams when I go to sleep each night. And though I've had my share of hard times, I wouldn't change them if I could. 'Cause through it all, God's been good. For God has been my Father, my Savior and my friend. His love was my beginning, and His love will be my end. I could spend forever.
As I look back on this road I've traveled, I see so many times. Where can you watch the sunrise, rejoice at rain? Where does the light fight darkness and glory reign? Where can you sing of conquest, of swords and shields, while at the same time humbly your weakness heal? River of joy, run down my face. I feel the eyes of God on the hearts in this place. River of hope I can't contain. Lord, pour down grace upon your children like rain. Oh, remember this place. Lord, this ground is holy. We leave our shoes outside, and from here flows a river of passion deep and wide. River of joy, run down my face. I feel the eyes of God on the hearts in this place. River of hope I can't contain. Lord, pour down grace upon your children like rain. Oh, remember this place. Let the flood continue